What happens when Suzuki takes everything we love about the RM-Z line and pushes it to an entirely new level? The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z1050 happens, and trust us, it's a game changer. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into Suzuki's boldest move yet in the dirt bike world. Let's break it down. Design. Starting with design, the RM-Z1050 features a sleek, aggressive profile that commands attention on any trail. The frame geometry has been completely redesigned for improved stability at higher speeds while maintaining that nimble, responsive feel riders expect. The color scheme blends classic Suzuki yellow with modern, matte black accents, and the ergonomics have been refined for both comfort and control during extended rides. Performance. Moving to performance, under that striking exterior sits a liquid-cooled 1050cc engine delivering impressive power throughout the entire rev range. Throttle response is smooth yet incredibly responsive, and the upgraded suspension system absorbs rough terrain effortlessly. Whether tackling technical trails or wide-open desert runs, this machine handles it all with remarkable confidence. Technology and features. Technology-wise, Suzuki has integrated multiple selectable ride modes, advanced traction control, and a smooth quick-shift system. The redesigned digital display provides real-time data, including fuel economy and performance metrics. These features enhance convenience without compromising the raw riding experience. Conclusion. Overall, the 2026 RM-Z1050 represents Suzuki's commitment to innovation while honoring what riders truly want. What do you think about this new direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped, hit that like button and share it with fellow riders. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.